Hello! Getting straight to the point, I'm going to show you how to get a Windchime with a Ziggurat. This guide is made for beginners and beyond. A table of contents with timestamps as well as useful links can be found in the description. Why explain this process? Each Windchime is an interactive NFT with unique art designed by Mike Shinoda and Secret Garden. This drop will be an allow list mint, which means priority access is limited to holders of specific NFTs. But the drop is designed to be the most beneficial for Ziggurats holders. While other collections get a 0.1 or 0.075 ETH price, Ziggurats get a 0.05 price per mint, for up to 2 guaranteed mints, effectively getting 2 for the price of 1. Registration closes on October 11th at 12 p.m. PST. To start, you will need to sign up to a cryptocurrency exchange such as Coinbase. If you've not done so already, requirements for exchange sign-up may vary from country to country and exchange to exchange. See the Coinbase link below for a list of requirements. Also see how to create a Coinbase account on your computer on the same Coinbase page if you choose to use Coinbase. If you already have a Ziggurat, jump ahead to the Verifying Your Ziggurat on Mike's Discord section. If you do not have a Ziggurat, here's what you need. Start by getting a crypto wallet that supports Tezos. I recommend downloading a Temple wallet from templewallet.com. For your security, never share your 12-word seed phrase with anyone, and do not type it into a document on any of your devices. It's recommended that you write the words down on paper and keep them somewhere safe. I will use a Temple wallet for this video because it's what I'm familiar with. I also already hold a Ziggurat in one. While I will not be using a Kukai wallet here, it's another great option, as it does not require an extension installation. I've dropped links to both sites in the description below. After you've downloaded your Tezos wallet, go to Objkt.com. That's objkt.com. Go to Sync in the top right corner. From this menu, select the Tezos wallet that you've set up. If you're using Temple or a wallet much like it, you'll enter the password that you chose when you created it and click Unlock. On the Confirm Connection page, click Connect. On the Confirm Sign page, click Sign. You should now be signed into Objkt.com with your Tezos wallet. Type Ziggurats into the search bar. Click on Ziggurats in all caps under Collections. To be sure you're headed to the correct collection, the Ziggurats collection address ends with 5PFD8. To the right, across from Recently Listed, click View All. X out Sort Last Listed DESC. Click on Newest. Select Price Low to High. You can now see what's called the Ziggurats floor. This is a gallery of purchasable Ziggurats NFTs sorted from lowest to highest price. The list on the lower left side allows you to sort by attributes. If you want one with, say, light doodles, and a common skull, you can use this to find one. When you find the Zig that you want, click on it. Click Buy. Enter your password and click Unlock. The gas fee, which is the transaction fee to use the blockchain, will be very cheap. As I do not have the amount of Tez required to buy this Ziggurat, the gas fee says 0, storage fee says 0, and we have a warning down here that says transaction is likely to fail. But for the purpose of this video, just pretend that you have the money to buy this. There are pennies over here in Tez, and you're able to click the confirm button to process your payment. After you click confirm, Objkt should notify you on the right side of your browser that your transaction was successful. Click on the circle in the top right corner of the website. Click on Profile and then on your own tab. Now, when your Ziggurat enters your wallet, it should appear right here. Congrats! You're now a Zig owner. If that's all you wanted, you could stop there, but you want a Windchime. So next you'll head over to Mike Shinoda's Discord server. You can find the Discord link below. If you don't have Discord, use the Discord download link instead to begin the process of setting it up and creating an account first. When you click on the link to Mike's Discord server, after joining, you'll likely land on the Rules channel. Click on NFT verification. Type /join into the chat box on the bottom and hit enter. Follow the directions given by the verification bot. Note that this bot will not work on iPhones. If the bot verifies that you own a Ziggurat, when you click on your name in the chat, you'll have a blue Zig owner role attached to your profile beneath your profile picture. You've been verified as a Zig holder. Now we're going to register for the Windchime Mint. Go to www.premint.xyz/Windchime-Ziggurats/. I'll also add this one to the link list. To sign up for Premint, you'll need a MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase wallet, which will hold Ethereum. I have MetaMask, so I'll be using that to show what I do here. For instructions on how to get crypto, such as Ethereum, and add it to a wallet, such as MetaMask, follow the MetaMask link in the description. To sign up, you'll need at least 0.05 ETH in your Ethereum wallet, but it's best to add the full amount you intend to spend, plus extra for gas. If you're going to buy one, you should have at least 0.06 ETH for 2, 0.12 ETH or more is recommended. Click on Sign Up. Your page will look different from mine because I've already signed up. But your sign up button should be somewhere around here. Connect your Ethereum wallet to Premint and sign the message. Since I've already connected my wallet, I just signed in. Please be aware that you should never be asked to approve any kind of transaction on Premint. When connecting a wallet, you will be asked to sign a message, but there should never be a gas fee or anything resembling a transaction requested on Premint. For Windchime, Premint is an RSVP allow list that checks eligibility requirements. Once you've signed in, click on your wallet address in the top right corner. Click Profile. Your wallet address should be filled in under Wallet automatically. I've placed a notepad widget here, just for privacy. Click the 3 dots to the right of it and select Minting. If you scroll down, you'll see that adding an email is optional for Zig holders. If you'd like an email reminder for the Mint, you can add that, but I prefer to opt out for privacy. Premint will ask for permission to read information from your Discord and Twitter profiles. This is why we verified our Zigs on Discord. Premint will look to see if you have the Zig owner role attached to your Discord profile. Once your wallet and Discord account are connected to Premint, you'll be approved for the Mint. Remember that if your wallet balance drops below 0.05 ETH, you will be unregistered. The register button on the Windchime Ziggurats Premint page should now be green. Click it. Congratulations, you're now registered and ready for Windchime Mint Day. Registered Ziggurats holders will be guaranteed up to 2 Windchime mints provided that they have the ETH to cover both of them on October 12th from 12 p.m. PST to 3:59 p.m. PST. You'll go to www.secretgarden.fm/, connect your Ethereum wallet to the site, and mint a Windchime, or 2, from there. Only 2 mints per wallet will be allowed, whether you hold a Ziggurat or a Ziggurat and a Moonbirds and a Premint collector pass and so on. For further details, please read over the Windchime Ziggurats Premint page. The Mike Shinoda and Secret Garden Discord servers have helpful people and resources if you need any further guidance. You can find them at discord.gg/Mike Shinoda and discord.gg/secretgardenfm. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your persistent interest in this Mike Shinoda Secret Garden audiovisual experience.